Hello artist, I am going to begin unpacking the kit that you will be getting from Dick Blick. It comes with two large sheets. These look like they're maybe 16 by 18, and I really recommend you go ahead and cut them up and use them for paintings. The Museum of Modern Art actually has quite a big collection of paintings on cardboard. Inside, we're going to see a whole bunch of materials to get a palette for mixing your paints. And these are disposable because acrylics dry pretty fast. You want a disposable palette. You don't want to have to be scraping it after every session. You get 2 packets of brushes. One is synthetic and the other one is a natural bristle. It's made out of pig. I want to apologize to you. I never order kits that have natural fibers in it because we have quite a fair number of vegan and vegetarian students. I myself am vegetarian, and so I like to not order those if I can, but this kit was ordered by the teacher who was scheduled to teach this class initially. If you're interested in not buying anything with animal products, let me know and I will send you the quote sheet and flyer for that other kit. So this one comes with 2 sets of brushes. It's quite a great deal. It comes with a little bottle so that you will make some water with some slow drying medium, and you're able to spray your painting and your palette to keep things open. Open means that it keeps your acrylics from drying fast. Here's your slow dry medium. Keep your paints open longer so they behave more like oils. You come with a palette knife, and it comes with pigments. These very large, it comes with very large tubes. White, lemon yellow, phthalo blue, primary red, and crimson. And with these 3 primaries, you're able to mix a black. What else comes in your kit? Another one of these big sheets of cardboard that I recommend you keep. And then you get a 4-pack of 16 by 20 canvases. So that's a really great deal, and now you know what comes in your kit. Is a sketchbook that I really highly recommend that you get. If you don't have a sketchbook, you can always paint on the back of notes that you've taken or add to another notebook that you might have. It doesn't necessarily have to be a blank page. And I really recommend, it's not mandatory, but I really recommend that you get one. And the reason for this is that you want to be able to do a lot of color mixing exercises here. You don't want to do them on your canvases because those are for your your projects. And I just want to show you like how you can use the sketchbook and how I use it myself on my own projects to jot down ideas for my compositions, where I am massing my values, my lines, what kind of colors I want to use. And I'll be inviting you to come to Zoom meetings where we'll do some very quick but very instructive color mixing exercises, and those you really need some kind of a notebook to keep them organized. And really, acrylics is a perfect medium for a sketchbook because it dries fast and you just flip the page and go on to the next experiment. So this here is a tabletop easel, and again there is a link in one of the pages here for making one yourself. The inventor of this cardboard easel used a hot glue gun, but I have one, but I thought I'd try it just using Scotch tape and staplers because I figured that's what you might have at home. and it actually works. So here I want to show you how, if you make your own cardboard easel and keep that backing cardboard that comes in the box for your kit, you can set yourself up on top of a counter or table. That's a really Frankenstein tabletop easel, but if you want to work with and have that experience of working with an easel, that's a really great way to get started without having to invest in one. There are some inexpensive tabletop easels, but they're all gonna run you around $50, so hey, cardboard, go for it.